Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another unboxing, maybe review, but unboxing for sure. As you can see, we have the Gamma Unos, the single foil shaver. First off, before we get into that, I said it right. Please subscribe, like the video, comment on the video, share the video. Don't forget we have the giveaway coming up at 500 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Also, Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy holidays, Kwanzaa, shenanigans, and all that extra stuff. Happy New Year's to you if you don't catch a video from me until New Year's, or if I don't post a video until New Year's. Happy New Year's. But either way, let's get to this unboxing. We have the Gamma Uno single foil shaver. Here's a little bit about them. 9,000 RPM. They got you different blades that you can get in there. USB charging adapter, which a lot of stuff is USB now. You got the battery, your 120 minute runtime, which is 2 hours of runtime. Gold titanium foils, small enough to fit in your pocket, and comes with the protective cap, of course. They got this in the plastic. See if I can get this off without making this video too long. I cut my nails, so I can't get into stuff. Hopefully y'all enjoying y'all day, man. I know it's Christmas, if y'all even seeing this on Christmas. If not, I hope you enjoyed your Christmas. All right, of course, they got the Gamma flap, magnetic flap. Open up, boom. See if we can get this a little bit. Protective lid, the forge cutter. Of course, you got your pamphlet and everything. We're gonna check all that out. What we got? These are the extra cutting blade that you got in there. Of course, the charging block. If you got a phone these days, you have one of these charging blocks. Here's your connector, USB. What else we got here? Nice little bag to carry it in if you're traveling. It's a very small, from the videos I've seen, it's a very small item. So you got your, is there anything up under this? No, nothing up under there. So I guess we can go straight to the one foil shaver. Man, that is tiny. Even when you see it on video, it don't look, I mean, you can tell it's small, of course, by the videos. Of course, it's small enough to fit in your back pocket and all that. So, of course, you can tell that it's small, but it is, in your hands, it's very tiny. Very. All right. Getting fingerprints on it already. I like that right there. Now, I seen online, some of them got the Uno written in it. I wonder if that's certain ones, maybe the Stylecraft version. I'm pretty sure the Stylecraft is always different. Nice gold and black. I do like that color. That's good for your finger though. That ain't no button. Power. Oh yeah, we got some power. Straight out the box got some power. Feel like it got that 9,000 RPM they talking about. So that's cool. Single foil. See if you can take it. Nope, take it off. How you change the? Well, we'll figure that out. We'll get into it sometime because we got to, so we can see about putting that extra cutter on there. So that's a quick unboxing. Nothing too big about it. I mean, even the product, nothing too big about it. All right. So that's cool. I guess we'll put this to use. Gamma Uno. Guess we put this to use and maybe come back with a review. See if they last how they say. And there we go. The Gamma Uno professional lithium ion single foil shaver. Do it got how long it take to charge? Deliver twice the standard runtime with 120 minutes of cordless operation per charge. Full charge in just 30 minutes. So 30 minutes to get you 2 hours of runtime, which it's going to be hard to let your shavers die. I mean, of course they do, but these are not back-to-back use like clippers and trimmers. So seeing how long they actually take to die is a little different, but we will try to put it to the use, put it to the test Got your 1-year warranty. And then it's funny how Gamma was once my I'll never try something from them again. And here we are, buying everything they come out with. All right, so let's get to the review. So, we all know usually I do unboxings and then later on I do the review. But I ordered two. I ordered the Gamma Unos, then I ordered the Stylecraft Unos, just to see if there was a big difference. Like I said in the unboxing, I did see a few that had the Uno logo on it. So I also wanted to see, I wanted to see if there was any difference in between the two of them anyway. So we did the unboxing of the regular ones. Pretty much in the Stylecraft, it's the same thing. It is the pamphlet, the extra cutter, the charger, and then the bag, the carrying bag. And they got that information in there for you to fill out your warranty. So a quick review on them, not gonna take long. Of course, the one thing we want to focus on, or how I do my reviews usually, is we focus on how you get them. These are the first time that the Unos came out, and they were on the pre-order system from Gamma. So I did have to order, I think I pre-ordered them about a month ago, and they came in, and I couldn't wait to use them. Usually I wait till my review, my day, so I can do an unboxing, then I wait to use them, but I ordered two. So I used the Stylecraft ones first, and then just unbox these, right? So it is funny that Gamma was once a company, to me, not to everybody, but they was once a company when I ordered the Alphas and the Absolute Hitters and the first pair of shavers I got from them, and they were a company to me that I wasn't gonna buy nothing else from, right? Then I got caught up in the hype of the Ergos, which the hype was very warranted, and they lived up to them. Then I got caught up in the hype of the Evos, right? And even though I don't use them because I don't use a lot of cordless trimmers, I understand the hype behind them. Boom, and then they follow up with the Unos. Single foil shaver, they get your 1-year warranty on them. Off rip, you had to do the pre-order on them. If I'm not mistaken, there was about $49, something like that. But I'll put the price here, right there. The price is right there. Once you get past the pre-order, like I always say, I'm not a fan of the pre-order, but I understand, right? So you get them, you got them pre-ordered. The packaging, now the Stylecraft packaging is not a lot to it. It's not too much, but of course you got the packaging that's just like all Gamma clippers right now. You got the magnetic flap, boom, open up, everything in it. Accessory wise, I love how Gamma are doing accessories of their clippers, their shavers, just in the simple fact of, like when I got the Evos, they gave you 2 different cutting blades or 2 different blades if you wanted to swap them out. They got the deeper tooth, wide tooth, all that extra tooth stuff, right? And even with the Uno shavers, the single foil shavers, they give you a different cutter on your shavers, all right? So you got the one that comes on it, if y'all can see that, and then they send you other cutters to swap out if you need to, all right? Both of them have 30 minutes of charge time, which lasts 120 minutes, which is awesome. I mean, they're small in package, so 30 minutes, 2 hours of runtime. Using shavers, I've never actually had my shavers die, especially with I use the finales. I got a charging dock. Use them, set them on the dock. I've never had them die, so I don't know how to really see how long they last per se. And with the shavers, you're not using these, especially these. You're not using these, or you could use them on a bald head, but you're not using these on bald heads. You're not using these like back to back like you would with the regular shavers, all right? So first impression, out the box, a lot smaller than you can see when other people are using them. Like they are very, very small, very small. A lot smaller than you can think about, right? At least to me, they're smaller than I thought. All right. But, and if y'all can see the difference in the front, Stylecraft, got the Stylecraft logo, then the regular Unos. But all in all, these might be my favorite shavers. For what the job that they can get done in such a small package. I'm not walking around shaving. I don't shave my face in the morning, but these are great for if you just want to use these for personal use. They're cheap. They can handle the job that you want to get done. Even comparing these to a Finale, where Finales are some of my favorite ones. Of course, the Gammas they're okay. Then you got the Babeless, which are good. But for this package in here, these are going to be my favorite shavers. These will be put into use. I don't know if you would really necessarily put a dock with these. They're very small, a charging dock. So I don't know if that's really necessary. But so far in this week of use, these have held up quite well. I've done bald heads. Like I said, you wouldn't use them for bald heads, but I wanted to put them to the test. All right. So I haven't used these yet. These are the regular ones, but I have used the Stylecraft on bald heads. I've used them on beards. I use them on, they're perfect for, especially here. Putting this little thing here is awesome. Whether you putting, I mean, you can use a razor. I like to use the razor sometimes, but say somebody don't want the razor, just to get that little clean look up under the nose, behind the beard here, around the neck, on the hairline, just to clean up a little extra. This is a perfect, I mean, perfect tool to have. They're very inexpensive. I mean, let me calm down, right? Let me calm down. Ooh, I'll pull it back. I'll pull it back. Start from the beginning. 49 or some odd dollars, right? Pre-order system from Gamma, all right? Very small, but hold up to the power. They have a lot of power to them. The only thing that I haven't had the chance to figure out is how to just pull this off. So what I did when I wanted to change them, they got a little lift up under there, right? You can get your, I just cut my nails and can't get up under nothing. But all in all, you can take you something. Give me a second, right? Give me a second, okay? I'm trying. It's Gamma's fault. I'm gonna speed this up right now. Got it. But you can take your little something up under there and kind of get that lift up under there so you can get it cleaned out. All right. A little tough, especially with it being small. It's a little tough to get up under there, but that's how you change the cutter too. All right. Clean it, take this off, clean it, change your cutter up under there, snap it back on. Maybe it get easier when you take it off the first. Nope, it doesn't. But all in all, man, if you're looking for a smaller shaver, whether you're using this for the home or if you're using it in the shop, these are a perfect tool to have. The Gamma Uno single foil shavers, they do last. They got the power that they say. I mean, they really got some power to them. Seriously, all right. Like that's some nice power. So yeah, if you're looking for a shaver, please order these from Gamma. I don't know when they doing the next order of them or how they doing the next order, but I say yes on the single foil shavers from Gamma. All right. Hopefully all of this made sense. If it didn't, comment down below. Ask me something that I probably missed.